So, moving on from compounds, you have two kinds of compounds, organic and inorganic compounds. An organic compound is anything that contains carbon, okay? So, of the ones that contain carbon, there are 4 macromolecules. Macro means large, okay? So, these 4 macromolecules are essential to life, even on a cellular level. The first one is carbohydrates. These are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and they're always in relationship like this, okay? 1 element of carbon to 2 elements of hydrogen to 1 element of oxygen. So, for example, the simplest sugar that there is, glucose, which is what our cells need, is C6H12O6. So see the relationship? 1, 2, 1, 6, 12, 6. This is what every cell needs. This is the food for the cell, the sugar. This is what the chloroplasts make, the plants make, and then we eat. Okay, the second macromolecule are lipids. Lipids also have carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, but also have phosphorus. Okay. Lipids are the building blocks of fats and oils that are essential to life, and to the life of the single cell even. The third one is proteins. These are burned for energy. These can also be burned for energy. Proteins can be burned for energy. Proteins have carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. So proteins are you. When DNA has the code for your genetics, the DNA, that's what it's coding for, is to make the proteins. And then the proteins are your skin, your hair, your muscle, your bones, all these things. And proteins are made from amino acids. Then the fourth one is nucleic acids. Okay, these are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. Nucleic acids are DNA and RNA. All living things must either have, even if they're a single cell, they must either have DNA or RNA. That's what the NA stands for, is nucleic acid. Okay. Inorganic compounds, the most important one obviously is water. 2/3 of your body and pretty much every cell is made of water. Water is necessary to life because it surrounds the cell. It's the environment for the cell. It's also the interior of the cell for the most part, and the cytoplasm is mainly water. And then the water also moves into and out of the cell, and as it moves into and out of the cell, it brings in nutrients, glucose, oxygen, those kind of things that the cell needs. And as it moves out, it does things like gets rid of waste, it gets rid of carbon dioxide, all these things. So water moving in and out of the cell is essential to the survival of the cell.